especially that, you know, it broke so many records back in 2017. So my question is for Tash. It was also quite controversial, the storyline, right? So, did you have any apprehensions upon, you know, accepting the role? Especially that, you know, it's gonna be, you're gonna have an adaptation in the Philippines, and you know, ihahalawin pa siya sa kultura natin, and all that jazz.
I wouldn't say, hindi naman controversial, pero when I first heard about the project, and I've seen the project before when I was back in college, I would see clips of the movie. And so when I first heard about it, hindi naman controversial, but more so it's a great story, and it's such an honor and a blessing to be doing this project.
That's nice. Alright. So no apprehensions whatsoever, or kinabahan ka ba na parang ang laki ng role, di ba?
Of course, I'm nervous to say it's a big role, but of course, at the end of the day, I'm super willing to take the risk as long as I give my best, try my best, and I don't ever want to take this for granted. So, if anything, I'm really honored, and my heart's filled with so much gratitude.
What were your preparations?
Marami. Starting with the script work, acting workshops, understanding the character, studying the films and the series. Yeah.
Alright.
I remember, di ba, Tash, parang nabanggit mo sa amin na parang your parents was giving you advice, or you guys talk about it? Paano ba nangyari?
Yes, we actually discussed it at home, of course. So they would advise both me and Andres usually with the project, and they're very much excited and super supportive about it. If we have any questions regarding the script or how to attack a certain sequence, they're more than happy to help, and with that, we're so thankful.
Sobrang swerte, parang may acting coach na sa bahay, di ba? Yung tutor mo, experts talaga, tsaka award-winning. Alright, thank you. Congratulations.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Ms. MJ. Next question will come from Eugene Assis from People's Journal.
This first question is for Derek. Hindi ka ba na-pressure because yung president nito na mutya ng section is very sobrang malakas, and same question to Atasha dahil dun sa kapatid naman.
Well, totoo po, sobrang pressured, of course. Maraming bagay eh. It's one of the reasons why parang pinag-isipan ko muna yung project eh. I mean, yung paggagalingan mo is Mutya, which is ang lakas-lakas niya sa Vivo 1. And then at the same time, the franchise itself, yung Bad Genius, kasi generation ko eh. I mean, napanood ko, nasundan ko yung buong pelikula, and then, kumbaga, alam na namin yung buong kwento eh. So, parang question ka, paano babaguhin to? Paano mo i-elevate yung buong serye? Eh, meron ng sinet na standard, parang hindi ka makakababa na doon. So, yun. I mean, malaking factor yun. Tapos na syempre, parang inisip ko, sinong katrabaho dito? Sinong artista dito? Sinong casting dito? So, ang daming question na naglalaro sa isip ko nun. And at the same time, nung renaset na sa akin yung cast, and then nung buong material na nung nag-yes na ako, I'm grateful na kinonsider ako dito ng Viva for this project. We did a lot of research. Ako personally, parang nandun yung kaba, at the same time yung takot na parang mapapantay mo ba yung series na lumabas, and then at the same time yung film. But it's a big challenge, and I love challenges na parang paano ko siya babaguhin, anong bagong timpla, anong flavor kung idadagdag mo. And then I was hoping also na later on that it will help also the na mag-generate pa ng more viewers for Vivo 1 ng buong franchise ng Bad Genius.
Okay, before Atasha, direct ulit, are you touching any parang issues about our system of education in the Philippines? Yeah.
Yes, of course. It's one of the given about Bad Genius. I think it's one of the reasons why na kung bakit siya nag-hit in several countries, kumbaga, from US to India to Thailand, because it's not just a pop culture, it also tackles the social commentaries about the issues of the situation of the education system. And for me, ito yung mga bagay na gusto rin namin inject, na parang the whole series is not just to entertain you, and then at the same time to give you a new image on what we could offer doon sa, alam na natin kasi lahat yung kwento eh. Pero at the same time na maitakal din namin yung mga social issues like education and the situation of education right now, na kumbaga part siya ng discussion ng buong serye.
Okay, thank you. Natasha, yun nga, parang magkakaroon ng competition between you and your twin brother. So, how do you feel about it?
Okay lang, wala naman competition po kasi that's my brother. He is my best friend since day one. If anything, I am so proud of him and I'm so happy for him with how he's doing with Mutya and the whole cast of Mutya and Section E. A big congratulations to them, and I always tell them that. So in terms of competition or pressure when it comes to my family, wala po ganun. Wala. Support lang. Support at love.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin from ABS-CBN.
Hello! Congratulations. Yung first question ko kay Direk, besides na diba we're tackling yung mga issues ng education dito, ano pa yung mga tema na nagagawin itong very Pinoy? Saka diba you're translating it from a movie to a series, parang ano ba yung maging purpose nito na series siya, mas develop ba yung characters, parang ibang
For one thing, if you remember the movie, just tackles the each character nung apat. Hindi nga sila ganong na-involved doon sa, or hindi nga sila to go deep about each character. Parang it's about the mechanics and about how the heist happened at kung paano ginawa. I'm so proud of Viva for this one because their directives are different na kumbaga is we have to bring it in a Filipino audience in a Filipino flavor. So, of course, we are family-oriented, diba? So parang doon sa part na yun, binuksan namin yung series to explore each personality of each character. Na kung sino ba sila outside the school. And then, ano ba yung personality nila with their family. We have a short idea of the series of the film as well na kung sino si Lynn with the father and then si Pat, the relationship niya. Pero kung baga dito, mas nilaliman namin. We show them the other facet of bakit ba sila ganito? Bakit ba ganito si Pat? Ano ba yung relationship niya with his family? Or si Grace? Ano ba yung other side of Grace na hindi nila nakikita? Bakit ganito siya as sa school? The same with Bam, diba? So, yun yung mga bagay na tinagdag namin dito. At the same time, dito, inat din namin yun siguro, I would say, yung personality nila sa school na hindi pa nakikita. Ang dami nilang kailangan abangan. For example, for the character of Natasha, for Lynn, and then also kay Bam. Ang daming, di ba, if you remember the series, hindi mo alam end the movie as well. Meron bang something sa kanila or wala dito? Yun sa yung mga bagay na abangan nila. Of course, si Gab and at the same time si Haya, yung ganong mga bagay.
Thank you, Direk. For Gab and Haya naman, kung meron kayo before the series na set in a school setting, right? So dito ba, meron pa rin bang kilig factor ni Direk? And paano naman kayo, if meron, paano naman yung pakilig niyo dito? Level up na ba?
How much can we share? Without spoiling. I would say, of course, it's given na our characters are already together to show. I would say, though, the difference is that our characters have a very much different relationship dynamic as Elise and Sandy. So that's just something that you'll have to, watch out for, look forward to. But yeah, there will be some kilig factors as well.
Yeah, like what Direk said, yung si Pat kasi malalim rin siya na tao compared sa sa Chasing in the Wild, which is heavy. And parang 360 talaga yung pinagkaiba nila. So, it's really like different character yung mabibigay ng situation here. Kasi basically not pangpakilig yung yung story. It's all about, you know, heist. So, pero syempre, meron pa rin si Pat and Grace ng mga ganun na kilig scenes.
Thank you, thank you.
Just to add lang dun sa character nila, ibang maturity of level yung romance nila dito na kailangan niya unan. So,
Thank you.
Okay, more mature na.